Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. First of all, sorry about the previous live. It seems like no sound was available. So here we go again. Today is really an exciting day. Alhamdulillah. We are at the stage today where the concrete walls are getting poured today. I'm going to flip the camera so you can see what's going on here. All of the concrete that you see here is lifted by the crane is already here. The concrete takes about 7 to 10 days to cure completely before it's going to be lifted up, and we will be then at that point ready with the walls. Once this concrete wall is lifted, it is supported by the wooden beams that I want to show you are already here. These wooden beams provide the support to the concrete walls up to the point where the steel structure is ready to go. And the steel structure is going to take an additional 3 weeks to 4 weeks to be completed, and then the roof is going to go on the top. If you look at the south side of the building further out, I want to show you that all the roofing material has already been delivered here, and as soon as the steel structure is complete, the roof is going to go on the top. So in terms of the timeline, what we are looking at right now is from today, in about 7 to 10 days, the walls are going to be cured. The walls are going to be cured in about 7 to 10 days. And then the walls are going to be lifted. So we are looking at around August 22nd, most likely, that the walls are going to be lifted. And then inshallah, the steel erection is going to start, and it will be completed by the middle of September. So we are looking at September 15th to September 20th for the steel erection to complete. And once that is done, then the roof preparation is going to begin. And the roofing process is going to start sometime in October, probably first or second week of October. The roofing is going to start, and at that point it's going to take another 3 to 4 weeks for the roofing process to complete. So hopefully the entire building, the enclosed building, is going to be completed by the middle or end of November, inshallah. I do want to tell you all that up to this point, alhamdulillah, with your generosity, with your support, we have been able to pay for everything up to the building of the roof. So the enclosed building is going to be ready with, mashallah, with your generosity and with your support. We have a fundraiser coming up on September 24th, and the purpose of the fundraiser is to make sure that this project stays on track. So the next step after the roof is complete is to make the building weatherproof, and then start working on the finishes, which is even more exciting part. So the exterior finishing is going to be done, the interior finishing is going to be done, and we need funds to keep this on track. And alhamdulillah, the community has been very generous up till now, and we have been able to keep this project on track this year. If everything goes according to the plan, and if we have funds, we will be able to finish this project by the end of next year or early 2024, and inshallah it will be available for use in the Ramadan of 2024. So I invite you all to come in our fundraiser on September 24th at Embassy Suites, our regular venue. We always do that there, and support this project. Open your hearts, open your wallets for this project, and continue to support this. These are very exciting times. We are, alhamdulillah, making a lot of progress on this project, and I also invite you to come and take a look at the progress in motion come attend the programs that we offer in the masjid, and then come see us on September 24th as well, inshallah. Jazakumullahu khairan, everyone.